Your phone is stealing your focus, crushing your productivity, and rewiring your brain. And the worst part? You don't even realize it's happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free, take back control, and use your phone without letting it use you. Every time you check your phone, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. But too much dopamine from constant scrolling makes it harder to focus, stay motivated, and enjoy real life. Apps like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are designed to keep you addicted. They hijack your brain's reward system, making studying, reading, and deep work feel boring in comparison. Studies show that excessive phone use shrinks gray matter, the part of the brain responsible for focus, decision-making, and self-control. How to fix your brain and take back control. 1. The phone jail method. If your phone is within reach, you will check it. Put your phone out of sight when you need to focus. Even better, set a 30-minute timer before checking it again. Out of sight equals out of mind. 2. Make your phone boring. Your phone is addictive because it's designed to be. Change your screen to grayscale, turn off notifications, and remove distracting apps from your home screen. The more boring your phone looks, the less tempting it becomes. 3. Replace mindless scrolling with a real-life dopamine hit. Scrolling gives quick dopamine, but real dopamine comes from movement, learning, and social interaction. Instead of reaching for your phone, go for a walk, read 5 pages of a book, or call a friend. Your phone is not the problem, how you use it is. Apply these hacks, and you'll regain focus, feel more productive, and actually enjoy life off the screen. Try this for 7 days and see the difference. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. Check out this next video to learn another hidden habit that's secretly ruining your focus.